From the lockdown,
we learned to grow.
we learned to grow. We grew stronger.
We grew stronger
than ever before.
Stronger than ever before.
We are sustainable.
We are healthier. We are the soil and the earth.
It was a sustainability portfolio that brought forward the proposal for this veggie garden in the middle of the global pandemic, and it was really exciting for us. We wanted the sense of a space which could represent hope and renewal and life to be an integral part of our everyday existence and being.
This garden is a representation of us.
Us.
As Weinberg students. Ever growing, being nurtured and being loved.
Enduring the weather and being part of something bigger than ourselves.
Giving back to the community in a tangible way. Until we go on to our next journey.
The garden actually went far beyond my expectations. I thought it would be a small patch, and it has just exceeded that entirely.
I'd never imagined that it would be this beautiful. The structure was quite simplistic back then, but to see it come to life has really just been a pleasure.
Every single time when we harvest something, I just feel proud.
More than awesome, I can't explain how amazing it is, actually.
This garden is my safe space.
This garden is my home.
Is my home. This garden is me.
This garden is me.
This garden is me. This garden is me. My sweet love and happiness.